Hi everybody, in this video I'd like to give you a quick overview of Raft. Raft is a low latency transport protocol for communication over the internet. When two devices communicate over the internet, they use a transport protocol to control the delivery of data packets. Transport protocols are used by all applications like web browsing, online gaming, video streaming and video conferencing. The transport protocols that we have today fall into roughly two categories. The first category is the fully reliable protocols. These protocols keep transmitting data packets for as long as it takes until it eventually gets there. We therefore say that they have an unknown latency. Examples of this is TCP and QUIC. The second category is the unreliable protocols. These protocols typically send data packets only once and then move on. We therefore say that they have a low latency. Examples of this is UDP and QUIC datagram. These two types of transport protocols have for many years served us very well, and we've been able to build many applications on top of them. However, in recent years, a number of new applications have arisen where these two types of transport protocols are not really suitable anymore. These applications are, for example, teledriving, remote control of machinery, game streaming, VR and AR. All of these applications require both reliable and low latency delivery. So we need a new category of transport protocols, one that can get data through within an application specified deadline. We call this solution Raft. Raft is built on top of UDP. It supports an application specified latency budget. It uses both proactive and reactive reliability with adaptive ARQ and FEC. It has multipath built in. It uses a reduced ACK rate, making it friendly over wireless networks. It has reduced time to loss detection and is super portable. To learn more about Raft, please contact us.